Facebook. Okay, well, no joke, seriously. All right.
Right, sir.
So he actually started the Facebook, and then he's had a lawsuit for about a few $1 million, and still going on with the guy who claims that Facebook that he was the developer of the Facebook, but that was the first guy. I mean, he's in Japan right now.
Right. Yes, sir. So now I want to see another works, how you could find my job. The sheet already I provide
Right.
you, right?
Yeah.
Just here you click here.
Right.
Just here you click. Okay. When you want to see your where I post your, just here you see here, please here, and redirect direction on your post. This is the
Yeah.
This is the US and worldwide buy sell online group. Here so many traffic visit every
Right.
time.
Right.
So there I am continue of your post.
Right.
Okay, like this.
Afan, I want to ask you for something simple. What do you think about this nextdoor.com? I'm posting it. I could do that probably myself. Maybe I won't bother you with that. But it's a local platform, small platform, but quite a bit important. That's only about maybe 500,000 of people. Another platform is My Politician. It's very important in the United States. Now, this Nextdoor platform, it's all over the United States. All you have to do, put the zip code. It's you have to pay for the subscription. That's no problem, and you could post that.
Yes.
Post whatever information you want.
Yes, I can post, but politic no allow on Facebook. Very strict rules.
Right.
You can do this. You can do this when you a page open indicate by politician. It is possible, but you need account on Facebook. You must indicate that you are politicals, you are politic leaders.
Right.
Otherwise, you cannot raise the people.
Exactly. I'm not worried about that because I am in politics myself.
Yeah.
I'm one of the local leaders for Chicago area, as well for congressional, federal, state, and so on and so forth. So I don't have no problem with that. But anyway, we could talk about that later. So, all right, I think we understand each other. We on the same page. We explained this thing. Most of I was concerned about not the concern, but I want to make sure that we understand each other. The web guy works whatever he wants to work, and you work whatever you want to work, and there's no problem.
No problem.
What I'm saying?
This is the separate work, separate jobs, separate. So no problem.
Right. But then, if the issue occurs, because things happen in life, then we fix it. No problem. Don't worry about it. We fix it.
Okay.
So
from tomorrow, I will post your LinkedIn. If you are agree, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, anymore you have.
Yeah, just those three for now. That's fine. Yeah, that's okay.
Okay. I will post from tomorrow. LinkedIn, Twitter, and you have any others social media account?
Well, no, but just those three, I think. But
okay. I will cover from tomorrow three social media account. This is thing.
Yeah, those three. YouTube, yes. I think I got an account with YouTube though too, but just those three that we got on the website. It's too many things. YouTube, you doing the YouTube already, right?
Right. but I suggest you, sir, if you don't mind, the page should be improved. More information here. Need more
Right.
information there.
Okay.
Very. Uh,
So who you suggest has got to do this? I mean, who's going to do this?
yes, I will do this. I will do this, but I need more access, like this. Your zone, your email address, your phone number, so many legal information. Otherwise,
Right.
I will drive on your screen. That is the good
So basically,
procedure.
what you need you need the login information to the social media.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
No, sir. When I create a new business page like this, like this,
Right.
very lightly and gorgeous, then after that, I need your valid phone number. I need your valid email that I input when I create a page for you. Just
Right. But it's the same information that I already got the uh, 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 my accounts already. So the information is there, right?
right, sir, right.
So all you need to log into my account. You could see my profile. You could see my information.
Actually, it is no need. I can drive you on your screen right now, right? The possible Zoom meeting any days, and I will create on your screen. I will create.
Okay.
I can create on your screen your profile.
All right. So when you want to do that?
Actually, I finished my SEO work. After then, I will create.
Then we okay.
Because
All right.
this is the very critical job on process SEO. I need more time, more concept, and
Right.
more attention.
Right. Okay.
So
So
you
when
can give me more time, then I will create
sure.
a business professional business page for you.
Okay.
Just Facebook. Otherwise, I checked your LinkedIn, very good. I check your Twitter, very good. But Facebook should be improved, more information.
Okay. All right. So we could talk about it after you finish the CEO, I guess, right?
Right, sir.
SEO. Okay. All right. Okay. Well, you have any question for me?
No, sir. No,
All
sir.
right. Then we what? We talk tomorrow?
Yes, talk tomorrow, Ebong. And if you want every day, no problem. No problem. I just want work of you, of your
Okay.
business.
All right. Well, let's see what happens. I send you message if I have to, or if you need something, you send me message and we can communicate that way.
Oh, okay, remember thing. Just today, I sent a Zoom link on your Gmail. Just when you knock me, the connect. Just you go your mail and click here as like to write the time. How could you find your email from your email my Zoom link? Just here click and connect with me every day. No problem, sir.
All right. So I use the same link you're talking about?
Yes. No change, no need change Zoom link. Just one link, so you can use long time.
Okay.
Just
because
click.
I have AnyDesk, I have a Zoom, I have a Ring Central, I got a lot of different things, you know. So
Okay,
that's no problem. Yeah. Okay. So we use to communicate. You want me to use the link and email?
right, sir.
Okay. All right. Well,
just you want to connect me, just you go your mail and just link
click on the link
and click on link and connect finally with me. Anytime,
Okay.
no problem.
All right. All right, Apang. All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much,
And
sir.
okay, no problem. Thank you. Bye
Thank you
now.
so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Bye-bye. Bye.